In Myanmar, the army in a severest crackdown against anti-coup protesters killed at least 34 people. The chief prosecutor of the International Criminal Court has opened a probe into crimes committed in the occupied Palestinian territories. Arab League unanimously reappointed Ahmed Aboul Gheit as its Secretary General for second 5-year term. A military base in Anbar province of Iraq where coalition troops are stationed has come under rocket attack. Global Times article holds India responsible for a standoff with China. A US-based democracy watchdog has changed India's status as a free country to partly free. In India, the Nationalist Congress Party has sought an apology from the BJP over the 2-decade-old Gujarat riots. Foreign Minister of Pakistan Shah Mahmood Qureshi has said Pakistan desires to further strengthen trade and economic relations with the European countries.